Hey, Jen.
What's up?
Project want to know what we're working on today.
We are working on a Honda CR85R top-end rebuild. This is part one of a two-part video. This is the disassembly of the top end. Paul, bring the camera around. I'll show you what we picked up. All these parts are from Rocky Mountain ATV. We got a gasket kit from Pro X. We have a piston and ring kit from Vertex. And we have a new bearing for the wrist pin. Good stuff. The cool thing about the CR85s, especially for learning how two-strokes work, is it's a very simple water-cooled two-stroke engine. There is no power valve. There's no power valve system on it. So it's very easy for kids to learn how to do top-end rebuild. All right, so we're going to play the game that I always like to play. Am I going to grab enough tools for the job? So we'll start in the top drawer. And leave in the comments, do you think that's going to be enough tools to do a job, a top-end job on a CR85?
Yep.
Should we grab a spark plug wrench just in case?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, I already see a tool we're missing.
Ha.
Maybe.
Yep.
I mean,
don't put your comments in yet.
Yeah, don't put it in yet. I just saw something else. Flathead screwdriver.
Ooh.
Before you start a top-end job on your dirt bike, first thing, give the bike a really good bath. Wash it really, really well. Second, you're going to want a nice work area. This is a little cluttered, but you're going to want a spot to, especially if it's your first top-end job, you're going to want a spot where you can really spread out. We got the workbench over here. We have a workbench over here, so we should be okay. We're going to start with the seat. Paulie, can you know what, get on the other side?
Mm-hmm.
No, leave the camera there.
Ow.
Leave the camera there. Make sure they can see you.
Yep, they can see me and you.
Cool. All right. So first thing we're going to do is remove the seat, which is a 12 millimeter.
Yep, 12.
I believe it's 12. So remove the seat. All right, cool. Spin it out.
Don't forget to use your hands because it gets fine motor skills. If you find with.
You telling people how to raise kids? Make sure to have your children.
I am the kid.
That is true. Make sure you have your children mess with Cheerios while they're sitting in their, what is it called? High chair. It'll help with their fine motor skills.
No.
Make sure your kids do top-end rebuilds on
Shut up.
CR85s. It'll help with their motor skills.
Oh, my God.
Hey, watch the oh my gods. All right. So next part we're going to remove is the tank. Making room. The bolt.
Yep.
To remove the tank should be an 8. You got everything off for the gas tank?
Okay, yep, now it's coming to my way. We shouldn't be using a lighter.
All right, cool. Gas tank is off.
Woo!
Woo! Part we're going to need to take off is the
top end.
Exhaust.
Oh.
So if you want, bring the camera around here.
Ooh, Dang it, I think we might be forgetting something. How do we take the spring off?
Don't worry about that.
Okay.
We're going to start with the muffler and work our way forward.
All right.
So we got to remove a
Let me bring you
number
guys
plate
around.
Have to remove a number plate. That should be a number 10 if it has the bolts that Honda intended.
What is it? 12?
That's another thing. I like to try to put my bolts back in if I can.
Just so they
set that up on the steps real quick. Yep. All right, that should be an 8. Yeah, we don't want dirt falling in. Right. So we're probably going to do a, what do you call it again? The time warp one?
Time lapse.
Time lapse. We'll probably do a time lapse while we clean that up. Because you want to make sure it's as clean as you can get it.
You do not want nothing falling.
Fumble. You don't want anything falling in. Anything to make your job more difficult. There we go. You know what? I got an idea. We're going to put this top hat washer back in like so. All right.
Just so we don't.
Yeah, we don't want to lose it.
All right.
All right. I noticed this Kickstarter's a little sticky, so we'll probably do something with that while everything's out as well.
Yep. Yeah. Let me
Got
move
that.
the camera again.
Yeah. You can move it. Watch the feet on the feet.
There we go.
So we're pulling this bracket off. We got this guy. Taking that off.
Oh, also,
What's up?
while you're watching this, let us know in the comments, what bike do you have?
Yeah, throw in the comments section. What bike do you have? 1. Number 2, are you a 4-stroke person or a 2-stroke person?
4-stroke or 2-stroke?
4-stroke or 2-stroke? Let us know in the comments.
Yep.
All right, spring removal tool. Real quick trick. So if you don't have one of these spring removal tools, we should do a short on this. Grab me a zip tie. If you don't have one of these spring tools, you can grab a zip tie. This is my first time doing it because I've always had one, but I saw this
on YouTube
or something.
Yeah.
Actually,
Here, let me.
No, you know what? It's not going to work on this one.
No.
Yeah, the spring. Well, no. It might work. Hold on. Let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
I think I got an idea. Like so. Zippy or zip tie. And then maybe it's a bike stage.
Let me hold it. Give me a sec.
That's all right. And then pull it off. Boom. Woo. Oh, the zip tie trick works. Woo.
Zip tie.
All right. So if you ever find yourself in it, we're going to do a short on that one.
Yeah, the ultimate tool in the garage is the zip tie.
All right.
It's on every dirt bike.
I believe everything is unbolted from the expansion chamber. There we go. Cool. Like I said, you want a nice area to lay your parts out. I'm going to have Paulie put these on the workbench over here, or I'll put them over here. There we go. All right. So, yeah, bring the camera around here real quick. I want to show the people.
No, I think I can show them through here.
All right. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt, a lot of dust. We ride in a very sandy, dusty place. So Paulie's going to put it on a time lapse. We're going to grab some Simple Green and some paper towels and a rag. And we're going to give it and a toothbrush, and we're going to give it a quick cleaning. So put it on time lapse. We'll see you guys and gals, throttle jockeys, in a few seconds. We out?
Yep, we're out.
All right, cool. So now what we're going to do is I noticed I was having trouble getting some of the nooks and crannies because of these radiator hoses in the way. So we're going to drain the coolant now and remove the hoses. That way we can get at some stuff a little bit better. So if you want, Paulie, bring the camera around here, and we will sing too good.
Kool-Aid.
Definitely not Kool-Aid. Clamps, sorry. Hose clamps. There we go.
Hose clamps.
1. Paulie.
Yay?
How's the camera look?
Good.
Okay. Do you want to get on the other side of the bike? I'm loving it. All right. That there. I know. Can we get it off? Oh,
whoa, God.
All right.
My reaction was like so delayed. My reaction was so delayed.
It was. How's that? Is that a straight? That's a straight one. All right, cool. Now, for you throttle jockeys out there, if this is your first time doing a top end,
or maybe you're just watching this.
Or you're watching it. You might want to label, put a piece of tape on it and write radiator. This one, and put head. That way you know which way the hoses are routed. All right, so we'll pull the carb off.
I knew we were going to need this, and I thought we grabbed them.
No.
Yep.
We grabbed flathead screwdrivers. We grabbed a bent screwdriver just in case we have to pry on something. However, we did not grab a JIS screwdriver. Can you set that over there, Bubs?
Yep.
All right.
You can.
That's all right. All right, cool. All right, carburetor is loose. My grandpa used to have a joke. Do you know what carburetor stands for in French?
What?
Do not touch. Don't mess with it. Leave it alone. All right, so this bike's a bit on the older side. It's a 04. So as you can probably tell, this thing, the air boot is not as pliable as it used to be, or as it once was. So
it's cold out
and it's cold out, and it's old out. So
and we should get a lot.
It's old out.
Lighter.
It's cold.
It's old out.
And it's old.
Cold.
Cold and old.
Cold.
Cold.
There's no short term for it. You just say cold.
Cold and old. All right. So it takes a little bit to get it apart. So we're probably going to edit me wrestling with this. So it looks like I just pulled it out super easy. All right, so we're going to put it back on time lapse again. There's a little more dirt in here that I want to get off before we pull this top end off. So Paulie's going to put it on time lapse. We're going to quick knock out some more cleaning, and then we should be ready to pull the top end off. So next is I'm gonna try doing this top end rebuild without removing the intake boot and the reed cage. I'm gonna try to leave it on. Try to save some of these gaskets from V-Force. So let me grab this. All right, what size are these? These should be a 12. The head bolts. They are 12. We should be just about done. Huh. I can't believe how tight these things are.
I knew we would need a spark plug taker outer thingy.
You can leave it in.
I would like to take it out though. Where'd you get the
Rocky Mountain ATV?
Rocky Mountain.
Yeah.
Shout out Rocky Mountain. We got most of our tools from
Let me know in the comments section how many of you throttle jockeys are doing Rocky Mountain ATVs, Supercross Fantasy League, or do you do the Motocross Fantasy League too? Let me know.
Nice.
Play nice.
Play nice.
There we go. There we go. All right. So these should be loose. Paulie, get over here, please.
Coming.
All right. So you're going to put these nuts in that container. Okay. Ready? All right. Go ahead. Pull that one off. Here. All right. Pull the head off.
Yep, that's full of coolant.
Before we go any further, we'll clean this coolant out real quick. You know what? We'll clean the coolant out and drain the jug while we're here before we go any further.
Okay.
All right, so where I messed up, there's a drain right here for the jug. I forgot to pull it off. That's all right. So we'll pull it out now. No biggie. Your box end wrench, and I don't want to round these off. So, but I have a 6.3/8 inch socket. So we're going to run that. There we go. And if you want, take them off a little bit each time. Is that on, Paul?
Yep.
All the way?
What is on? Yeah.
Okay. So loosen each one just a little bit. Take your time. Be patient. There's no rush. Oh, well, unless you're trying to race. Might be a little bit of a rush. Yeah. Just take your time. There we go. Loosey goosey. All right. I cannot believe how much corrosion gets in these threads. That is crazy. All right. Is this the?
Yep.
Is there 4 in there?
Yep.
Cool.
5.
Well, now there's 5, right? All right. So, are we ready with the paper towels?
Yes.
All
Paper
right.
towels on standby.
You ready?
Yep.
All right. All right. It's coming apart very nicely.
I'm just surprised.
Oh, is it gonna make me take off the exhaust port? Nah, I can't. Nah, okay. I was like, oh my gosh. All right, so you want to pull that off, take her easy, leave the gasket for now, Paulie.
Okay.
I will grab the gasket momentarily. Grab the gasket. Okay. Where's the camera? Put the camera on me. Cool. That's part 1 of this CR85 top end rebuild. We are going to do some cleaning and more boring stuff. And then for our second one, we'll come back and we'll assemble it with you throttle jockeys. We will catch you on the next one. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it in the comments section. What?
Better way of doing this?
Better way of doing this? Let us know. Catch you on the next one, throttle jockeys.